and welcome back to our Scratch programming course. So, in this video, we will start with the sound block and see the blocks of the sound block. So, in the previous video, we had finished with the looks block and saw the blocks of the looks block. So, in this video, we will start with the sound block. So, let's start this video. So, now I am removing the first block, which is play sound meow. So if I run this block, did you all hear that sound? So basically this block is used to play sounds in the Scratch window. So we can also select any sound from the sounds tab. So if I take you all to the sounds tab, so can you all see this window will appear, and we have three options: choose sound from library, record new sound, and upload sound from file. So if I click here, can you all see we have a full library of sounds and we have so many options. So if I select this sound, this bird one, and click OK, so can you all see I have got this sound and I can now play this sound. Did you all hear that sound? And also we have one more option, we can record a sound by clicking here. And if we want to start recording, we will click this button. Let's learn Scratch programming. So can you all see? Now I have recorded my sound and now I can play my recorded sound by clicking this play sound recording one, and let's learn Scratch programming. Did you all hear? It was playing whatever I recorded. Now let's see the second block, which is play sound recording one until done. So this block basically plays the sound until the sound is finished playing. I'll show you all. So, okay, did you all see that until the sound was finished it was playing? But what is the difference between this and this block? What happens when we play sound using this block and suppose at the same time we run another action? Then what will happen? This sound will stop playing and the another action will run. But if we run this block and then we run the another action, the sound will continue to play until it is done and the action will also run continue. Stop all sounds. So as the block suggests, means as the block name suggests, it is used to stop all the sounds playing in the Scratch window. So I'll show you all. Suppose I play this sound. Did you all see? The sound stopped playing. So this is basically used to stop the sound. Play drum 1 for 0.25 beats. So this block is basically used to play drum sound in the Scratch window. So if I show you, can you all see we have so many options of drum. So suppose I choose this triangle drum. So can you all see the number changed to 12 because the number of the triangle is given here as 12. And we can specify the beats. Suppose for 1 beat. Did you all hear the sound? So it played the drum triangle for 1 beat. It played, but the block ran for 1 beat. And if I increase the number, suppose for 3 beats. Did you all see that the block lasted for 3 beats? Rest for 0.25 beats. This block is basically rest, means to wait for a specified number of beats. So suppose I make a script, play drum 1 for 0.25 beats, rest for 0.25 beats, or rest for 1 beat, then play drum 1 for 0.25 beats, and I will run this script. Did you all hear that first it played the first drum, that is this snare drum, then it rested for 1 beat and then it played again. It didn't play it continuously. It played first drum, then it waited, and then it played another drum. Play note 60 for 0.5 beats. So this is basically used to play piano. So if I show you, can you see we have so many options of the notes. So if I choose this note and then I change it, suppose this. So So did you all hear different sound? So this is used to play notes on the scratch window. Set instrument to 1. So this basically used to set instrument to a specified instrument. So can you all see we have so many options of instrument? So we have total 21 options of instruments. So suppose I choose this electric guitar. So now the instrument is set to electric guitar. And now if I play this note, did you all hear? The sound was of a guitar. So the note is played here, means the note is the piano note, but the sound the note has is of a electric guitar. Change volume by -10. So basically this block is used to change the volume by a specified value. So if I take you all to this variable, which is volume variable, so as we know that in every block menu we have variables. In the sound block also we have this volume variable. So can you all see the default volume of any sound is 100, and we can change it. Suppose I click this block, can you all see from 100 it became to 90 because we decreased the sound by 10. And we can also change it. Suppose change volume by 67 means the volume will increase by 67. I will show you all. Can you all see? It changed to 100, but it should be greater than 100. But why it is not being greater than 100? Because the maximum volume of any sound is 100, so we cannot increase it by 100. That is why it remained 100. And we can also set the volume to a specified value. Suppose I set it to 5%. So can you all see it became 5%? And now if I play any sound, so did you all hear that it was so slow that we were not able to hear the sound because the volume was very low. So basically this block is used to set the volume to a specified value. The next block is change tempo by 20. So before explaining about this block, I want to explain you all that what is tempo. Tempo is basically the speed by which the sound plays. So the default tempo, if I show you all using this tempo variable, is 60. So the default tempo of any sound is 60. And if I click this block, can you all see from 60 it became to 80. And now if I play any sound, suppose this note, wait, I will increase the volume. I will set it to 100% now, and now I will play. Did you all hear that it played very fast? And if I increase it by a greater value, suppose 200. Now the tempo is 280, and if I play it now, did you all hear that it played the sound very fast because we increased the tempo. So tempo is basically the speed of the sound. And similar thing, set tempo. So in this we can set the tempo to a specified value. Suppose I set the tempo to 30, and now if I play the sound, this note, did you all hear that it played so slowly because we decreased the tempo. So with this we finished the sound block. So thank you.